Welcome to the next video in the C tutorials. In this video, we are going to see this unary operator. So this is known as increment operator. This is decrement operator. Increment means plus operator. Double plus operator is known as increment operation. Double minus is known as decrement operation. So now, what is the indication of this double plus? Means increment. So when you give like this, it is going to add the number by 1. So similarly, the decrement means it is going to subtract the number by 1. So this is going to add the number by 1. This is going to subtract the number by 1. These are further classified into two types like pre and post. Under increment, we have pre-increment and post-increment. So by name you can see that pre means before a variable the operator will come. Post means after the variable the operator will come. So similarly with decrement we have pre-decrement and post-decrement. So pre means before the a the operator will come. Post means after the variable the operator will come. So now what does this mean by pre and post? Pre means first it will increment, so it will perform the operation, then it is going to use. Post means first it will use initial state of value, then it is going to increment. So as you can see here, first it is going to increment, then using the value. Again, first it is going to use initial state of number, then later it is going to increment. So similar things with the decrement operator also. In pre decrement, first it is going to decrement and then it is going to use. In post increment, it is going to use, then later it is going to decrement. You will get more clear idea on when you see the program. So let's start the program. Here for this purpose I am declared a variable of int data type, and I am advising the user like enter any number to perform unary operation. Again, I am taking the value from the user at output side. So for that I am using the scanf statement. I am scanning the entered value in the a variable. Let us start the unary operation. First I am going to perform increment operation. So direct in printf statement I am going to perform like printf, doing here pre-increment operation. So you need to use increment operator before the variable like plus a. Now let us run the program once. If you run the program, you can see here, let us enter the fixed number like 10. If I give enter, you can see here the 10 is changed to 11. Why? We have used the increment operation. In that we use pre-increment. Pre-increment means first change the value, then it is using that value. So I think you have get an idea on this. Let us make post increment operation. See here I declared in the printf statement like post increment, and I have given like this statement. Here I am performing post increment operation. So we have 10 changed to 11. Again in post increment it is again showing only 11, means it will first use that 11 value, then later it is going to increment. Increment means just adding one number, same number is going to printing here. So if again I am going to print the value, first it is going to use the number, then later it is going to change the value. So now 11 is converted to 12. So here up to here it is 11, it is going to printed. After this it is changed to 12. So if I printed this, if I given the statement like this, then it is going to print the 12 value. So I think we have cleared the increment operation. Now similar operation are with the decrement also. I will show here. See here, I have given the similar things of increment operation. So you can see here in pre-decrement, first it is going to decrement, means even to subtract by 1, and it is going to print here. Again in post increment means it is going to use the initial value, then later it is going to subtract the number by 1. So if I run the program, you can see the things how it is going to be. If I give the number 10, you can check out here. Pre-increment, first it is going to subtract by 1 and printing here. So 12 is converted to 11. Again this 11 as usual it is using, then later it is going to subtract by 1. See, this 11 is changed to 10. So this is all about the increment and decrement of unary operator topic. Thank you.